formal meeting or conversation between employer and job applicant. As we all know that we go for an interview in a company and we have to meet someone there. Either it may be HR professional or it may be some higher level person, either it may be employer also. So we have to do meeting with him. So we call it as formal meeting because we meet for some purpose. And it is also called as conversation because there we have to interact with that person. We have to make conversation with him. So it is called as conversation also. So interview is a formal meeting or conversation between employer and job applicant. Hope you have understand this. Next we will see types of interviews. There are many types of interviews which are conducted in many companies in different way. So we will see one by one. First type of interview is screening telephone interview, video conferencing, one-on-one face-to-face interview, group interview, panel interview, behavioral interview, sequential interview. I'll explain you all the types of interviews one by one. Okay. So first type of interview I'm going to explain you, that is screening or telephone interview. Okay, this is very common type of interview almost conducted by every company. Telephone interviews are done for initial screening of candidates from the pool of candidates. In every company, large number of applicants apply for a job. So they do the initial screening. That means they shortlist the candidates by calling them. That's why we have named it as telephone interviews. Okay. Screening interviews are done by interviewer of human resource department. Almost in any company, there is one department for recruiting, that is HRD, that is Human Resource Department. And this department only conducts screening of interviews. They only call candidates and do initial screening. This type of interview allows an employer to screen candidates on the candidate's experience, qualification and salary expectations pertaining to the position and the company. So on what criteria they screen the candidates? So there are mainly three criterias. First they consider their experience, then they consider their educational qualification and also their salary expectation, either it may be matching with their company or not. So these three criteria they consider for initial screening. Okay. Next type of interview is video conferencing. In this type of interview, video conferencing is used to conduct interviews using video technology from a distance. When a job applicant is unable to reach the company or the manager unable to reach the location where interview has to be conducted, then this type of technique is used. Video technology techniques is used and through video conferencing interview is conducted. Okay. So in this type of interview, no need of candidate to go or to move to any other location, and also no need of manager to move to any other location. Okay, but this type of interview is not very much common in all the companies. It is most rarest form used, and mostly big companies used such kind of interview. Okay. Next type of interview is one-on-one face-to-face interview. Okay, so let's see. This is the traditional form of interview where one candidate is interviewed by one interviewer of the company. So this is the oldest form of interview which is used by almost every company, either it may be a small or it may be big, where one interviewer will take interview of one candidate. Okay. This is most common interview format conducted by direct HR professional or employer of a company. So as I say that this is most oldest and also most common because in every company it is conducted one-on-one, means one interviewer will take one candidate. That interviewer may be some HR professional or it may be the owner, employer of the company. Okay. It is called as face-to-face interview because here face-to-face job applicant is meeting with interviewer. So it is called as face-to-face. Okay. Next type of interview is group interview. The name only indicates that the interview is being taken in groups. Okay. A group interview occurs when small group of candidates are interviewed together. So as I told you, that name only indicates that groups are being made. Either a group contain 4 candidates or 3 to 4 candidates. So small groups of candidates have been made for taking interviews. It's a time saving form of interview because at a time they are conducting interviews for 3 to 4 candidates, so it is very time saving form of interview. Candidates may also be asked to solve a problem together, which allows interviewers to assess candidate skills in action. So generally in such kind of interview na, they give you some problem and they will ask you to solve that problem in group. Okay, so that they can access your skills, communication skills, your teamwork skills. So they'll give you some problem to solve. Okay. Companies conduct a group interview to quickly pre-screen candidate for the job opening. A group interview is similar to a group discussion. A topic is given to the group and they are asked to discuss it. So as I told you, they will give you a problem or they might give you some topic and they'll ask you to discuss on that topic. So while discussion, they will observe your skills. Okay. So this type of interview is being conducted to quickly pre-screen the candidates. You have seen that in almost all the campus placements, GD is very important. All the companies after aptitude test, they take group discussion. That is, they take group interview form of, and they use to pre-screen the candidates. Okay. Hope you have understand this form of interview, group interview. See, next type of interview is panel interview. So I'll explain you what is panel interview. A panel interview takes place when a job applicant is interviewed by panel of interviewers. So a panel interview means interview is being taken by panel of interviewers. Means panel is group of interviewers. Okay. Panel means a selection committee or interview committee that is appointed for interviewing the candidates. The panel may include 3 or 5 members. So panel is what? Panel is selection committee or interview committee, we can call it as, because they are the group of interviewers which are appointed by the company for interviewing the candidates, and they might be 3 or 5. Okay. It depends on the company. Very big company, they may keep 5 persons in panel, or is a small company, they may keep 2 to 3 person in panel. Okay, so it depends on the company. In some cases, individual candidate will meet with the panel of interviewers, or in other cases, multiple candidates will meet the panel of interviewers. So this kind of interview is conducted in 2 ways. Either panel of interviewers will take interview of a single candidate, or they may take interview of 2 to 3 candidates at a time. Okay, this will totally depend upon the panel. The panel may consist of different representatives of the company such as human resource management and employee. Now there is a question that who are the persons in panel? So they may be from HRD department, one person is in HRD department and one might be from the management, one might be from the employees of a certain department. So panel may consist different representative of different departments. Okay. It is also a time saving form of interview as a group of interviewers are taking interviews, so decision making is very fast, and they also take interviews of 2-3 candidates at a time. So overall it is a time saving form of interview. Collective judgment of panel regarding the candidate helps in fast decision making for selection of right candidate. As I said, that panel is taking interview, that is group of interviewers are taking interview. So their collective judgment is very helpful in fast decision making, as no need to send to candidates to 2-3 round of interviews. Okay. So it helps in fast decision making for right candidate selection. Okay. Hope you have understand this type, panel interview. Next type of interview is behavioral interview. So we will see what is behavioral interview. Behavioral interview is based on knowing that how the interviewee acted in past employment related situation. Okay. Here the motto of interviewer wants to know how you have handled your past situations in job. They just want to know your behavior, your past behavior. The logic is that how you behaved in the past will predict how you will behave in the future. That is, past performance predicts future performance. So the logic behind behavioral interview is why they want to know that how you have behaved in your past, because they want to know that how you will behave in your future. Okay, the logic is that only past performance predicts future performance. Okay. Interviewer will ask for specific examples from your past experience. So how they get to know about your future behavior? They will ask you some examples of your past behavior in your past company. Okay, they'll ask you some past experiences in your past job. You should prepare by thinking of specific examples that demonstrate your competence in core behaviors such as teamwork, problem solving, communication, creativity, flexibility, and organizational skills. See, you have to give examples, you have to give correct example. You have to select a specific example from your past experience, because your example should not be a waste. It should include some skills. It should show your skills, that how you have tactfully solved this problem and how many skills you are having. So you should select a specific example that will show your skills. Okay. Employer might give you an imaginary situation and ask you that how you will handle this situation to judge the required skills. So there is another way also, that employer might give you some imaginary situation. He will ask you, if in our company this happens, how you will solve, how you will act. So he will also try to know that how you will solve this problem if you will face this problem in future. So this is also a way to predict behavior. Okay, hope you have understand behavioral interview. So last type of interview in this video is sequential interview. So let us see what is sequential interview. Sequential interview is conducted by two or more interviewers separately or in sequence. So the name only indicate sequential interview. Sequential means in sequence number of interviews are conducting. So 2-3 interviewers will take your interview one by one, that is in sequence, separately or in sequence. Okay. The candidate either moves from one location to another or stays in one room, and while different interviewers join them. So here either a moving person will be candidate or moving person will be interviewer. Okay. So you have to give 2-3 interviews in sequence. Okay. Sequential interviews involve a number of first impression opportunities, so be aware of how you present yourself each time. So as you are giving 2-3 interviews, there you will have to prove yourself many times. You have to prove yourselves to many interviewers that are coming one by one. So you will be getting opportunity to give your first impression again and again. So always be aware that how you present yourself to everyone. Okay. At the end of the process, interviewers meet to evaluate each applicant and make their decision. So at the end of sequential interview, after conducting interviews for all the candidates, the number of interviewers who have take your interviews, they will meet and they will take their final decision. Okay. Hope you have understood.